Ready to upgrade your life with surprisingly cool gadgets you didn't know you needed? Today we're diving into 5 unique and affordable products, and yes, they come with free shipping on Temu! First up is a USB rechargeable portable fan with a built-in LED display and smooth touch control. This compact powerhouse features multiple wind speeds, a handy touchscreen panel, and a bright LED light, perfect for late-night desk work or camping trips. Plus, it folds for easy storage. Technology meets convenience. Next, a guitar amp-inspired wall organizer with 4 plug-in jack keychains. It's sturdy metal and plastic, looking just like a mini amplifier, but it holds your keys! Space-saving, decorative, and perfect for music lovers who want practicality with personality. Meet the rust-resistant, powder-coated metal paper towel holder, wall-mountable and sleek. It tucks neatly under cabinets or along walls in kitchens and bathrooms, saving counter space while keeping towels within reach. Durable, stylish, and splash-proof. This isn't your typical anime figure. This is Marilyn Monroe in all her vintage glory. This tissue box brings vintage glamour to your desk. Each tissue playfully lifts her fluffy skirt, making this both a practical item and a cheeky conversation starter. Stylish, nostalgic, and unforgettable. And check out this tiny marvel, a 2K dash cam smaller than your car key fob. It's ultra compact, yet packed with features: night vision, loop recording, and Wi-Fi app access. Whether tucked behind your mirror or clipped to the dash, it stays nearly invisible while recording everything in sharp clarity. Discreet protection, big performance. So, a glowing LED fan, rock-inspired key amp, sleek towel holder, Marilyn tissue sculpture, and a stealthy dash cam. 5 practical yet brilliant picks from Temu. Which one's your favorite? Sound off in the comments below, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more hidden deals.